Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.8% against the yen. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold rise 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices are showing a slight uptick, spurred by a combination of strong demand expectations and concerns over supply disruptions. This follows the OPEC recent report, which highlighted resilient demand and cautioned against speculator-driven price drops. The battered yen was stuck near a three-decade low against the dollar, struggling to find a floor as the Bank of Japan's ultra-easy monetary policy settings remained at odds with the prospect of higher-for-longer rates elsewhere. Crypto exchange OKX launched its own Layer 2 blockchain for testing by developers, becoming the latest exchange to join in the trend of building secondary networks to make digital asset transactions cheaper and quicker.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's trade balance will be released at 1000 hours GMT, the UK's core consumer price index at 0700 hours GMT, the US retail sales at 1330 GMT. The US producer price index will be released at 1330 GMT, Japan's imports at 2350 GMT, Japan's exports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.